What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Means, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So, with that being said, there's no way for you guys to keep talking to these fake King Hussle pages and getting scammed out y'all money and y'all coins. All you have to do is get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody saying they're King Hussle to make sure you're seeing this face, spending your money with the right person, and getting what you're paying for, all right? So take that in consideration and don't forget. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So happy Friday, everybody. Happy Get Up and Get Money Day. Happy You Understand Me Day. Happy Let's start a new journey day. And it's Friday. It's early in the morning, and we about to get to the gyms. A lot of people out there wake up early in the morning and they watch my videos. A lot of people wake up early in the morning and watch other people's videos, and they try to figure out how they can start a new path, how they can get money, how they can stop working a 9 to 5 and things like that. So today I'm going to give you another website, a place where you can go, a credit union where you can go that will literally give you up to $35,000. You can have a 480 credit score, but as long as you show that you have a good relationship, as long as you're making deposits in your bank account, as long as you show money coming in, more money coming in than what's going out, they will give you perks. They will offer you, give you the opportunity to get a loan up to $35,000, all right? And a lot of people hear me make these videos, and I make these videos about $35,000 bad credit loans, 10,000 bad credit loans, 5,000 second chance loans, and this and like that. But you always got to realize, and I tell you this in every video, they're not giving money and loans. They're not loaning in just anybody any money. Your credit profile, your profile period has to be in a standing where they can say, okay, you're making enough money, and we understand your credit score is bad, but you're making enough money that, and we see that if we loan you this money, you will be able to pay it back. And that's what people get it misconstrued. That's what people fail to realize that, hey, your bank account has to reflect on this. Your bank statements has to reflect on this. Your credit score has to reflect on this. So what I do is I literally give you guys step by step how to get approved for these loans, so you can take those steps and apply it to your life, so you can have a better chance of getting approved for that loan that you need. And a lot of people don't take the steps that I say. They just fast forward and they get to the place where I'm talking about the loan and this and that. No, don't do that. Please, 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 please take everything that I'm saying and apply it to your situation, because I guarantee you take what I'm saying and apply it to your situation, you will have a better opportunity to get approved for these loans, all right? So without further ado, let's get into the sauce. Let's get into the guide on how you can get approved for this $35,000 loan from First Community Credit Union. And like I've been telling you guys before, credit unions and smaller banks are the easiest to get approved for higher limit credit cards, loans, lines of credits, because they're smaller and they want to build their brand. They want to build their reputation of doing business with the people. So credit unions and smaller banks in your community, in your city, will allow you to get higher credit cards and loans without having the credit that you need. All right, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, I'm trying to get this $35,000 loan. I'm trying to get approved for, credit cards, and I got things to do, right? So boom, what you're going to do is, like I tell you in every video, you're going to get your credit profile. You're going to get your credit report so you can see all the collections that is being reported on your credit profile. Because what you're going to do now is you're going to clean your credit profile, clean your profile period, so when you do go to apply for these loans and credit cards and things like that, it'll look better on your report. It'll look better for the bank to see, like, okay, we're going to loan them this credit card. And like I said, make sure you're getting direct deposits, or you're making deposits into your bank account bi-weekly, weekly, or enough monthly for them to see that, okay, you're going to get you can pay this loan back. You're making enough to pay this loan and get this loan, and so on and so on. So boom, you're going to get your credit profile. You're going to see all the collections on your credit profile. You're going to see all the increase on your credit profile. You're going to say, oh, I got all these collections. Oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Boom. Okay, you're going to go to TransUnion. You're going to get Experian and Equifax. You're going to freeze your credit score on all the three credit bureaus. Once you freeze your credit report on all three, you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all the accounts, because once your credit profile is frozen, they no longer can get into your profile and verify this account that's being reported on your credit profile. So they have no choice but to delete it off your credit profile. But let me say this: once you delete that off your credit profile, you are now deleting debt off your credit profile. And the higher debt that you have, the higher good debt that you have, the higher limit credit cards and loans you're going to get. The lower the number of debt that you have, just going to be harder for you to get those, because they want to see that you got so much money that you're paying off and you're paying it back on time, that you are in good standing to get another loan or get more money to pay back another trade line, right? So take that in consideration. You got student loans or anything on your credit like that, if you delete it off your credit, it's going to lower your debt. But if you leave it on your credit and you start making payments, it's going to continue to age your credit profile, and it's going to boost your credit because you're making payments on time, and it's going to show payment history. It's going to continue to age, all right? So always remember that. If you delete things off your credit profile, it's going to bring down the age. If you leave things on your credit profile, you start making payments on them, and you bring back the payment history, it's going to look good on your credit profile too, all right? It's going to be a little better. So boom. Now that you got all those collections off your report, and you looked at the inquiries and you call, because it literally shows you who's reporting this inquiry and the number for you to call, and you can call them and get it off your credit profile. So now that you got all these inquiries and all these collections off your profile, right? Now you want to add good debt to your credit profile. And like I told you, if you're anybody out there paying bills, if you're paying electricity bill, gas bill, rent, mortgage, whatever you're paying, that should be reported to your credit profile, because you deserve it. You deserve, since you're making these bills on time every month to take care of you and for you to live life, you should be rewarded for it. So like I told you guys, Credible, Ava, Credit Strong, Credit Rent Boost, and I made a lot of videos on these trade line sites, Self, where you can go to literally add these trade lines to your credit profile, have them reported to your credit profile, and and it's the same thing as you'll be paying bills. So you pay bills every month, but you don't get rewarded for it. What I mean rewarded for it, it doesn't reflect on your credit. So why not have it reflect on your credit, so you can have a better opportunity to getting that mortgage loan that you need, getting that car that you want to need, getting the things that you want to need, those high limit credit cards and loans that you want to need, right? So boom, make it make sense. So add those trade lines. You want to add at least $45 to $60 to $70,000 in trade lines on your credit profile, so you can show that these trade lines, you making these payments every month, which will be direct deposited out your bank account, because you have to have a bank account, a personal checking and savings for this money to be coming out. They're going to see that, and you're going to be making payments on time every month, and it's going to reflect on your credit. So now you got this $60,000 worth of credit installment on your credit profile that's being reflected. You're making exceptional payments, and they see that. You want to let that marinate for about a month and a half, right, before you go apply for these loans. And like I said, if you're self-employed, make sure you're making deposits. Make sure you're putting money into your bank account every week, every 2 weeks, every month, to make it seem and generate that you're making money, that you have a real business, you're really self-employed, and you have things going on, right? Boom. Once you got all of that circulating, now you got your credit profile looking better. Now you want to go here, First Community Credit Union, where they will literally give you up to $35,000. You can have a 480 credit score. As long as you have a decent relationship with this bank, you're making deposits, you making lesser withdrawals. They're going to start giving you perks, and they're going to give you the opportunity to get up to a $35,000 loan, because you have $70,000 in credit in debt on your credit profile, but you're making that on time, so they're going to give you the opportunity. All right, so without further ado, let's go check out First Community Credit Union, see how you can get a $35,000 loan with a 480 credit score and start your journey. Let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about First Community Credit Union, right? FCCU. So FCC.org loans personal, right? So borrow up to $35,000. Personal loans, money for what you need when you need it. APRs, 8.49% APR, right? So basically it just goes into detail what's going on. So how to expedite the application process. When it comes to time to apply for any type of credit, the sooner you get an answer, the faster you can plan your finances. What affects your credit score? Let FCC walk you through the effects of your credit score, so you are a pro at reading your credit report and feel confident when applying for a new loan. So they help you with all these type of things because they know your credit scores and they know what's going on. Too many uses for personal loans. Personal loans get you a cash fast. Often the funds are available to you the same day. However, many are left asking what exactly can these loans be used for. And then it just goes into the disclosure. And so basically, skip a payment on your FCC loan whenever you like, so you can get this loan and skip a payment. So take a breath from a loan payment and a breath easy. Skip a payment up to 2 times per year. So they give you 2 times per year to skip the payment if anything happens, and put extra funds in your pocket when you need it the most. Choose to skip 1 monthly payment or choose to skip 2 monthly payments in a row if needed. Breathe easy, save money, and skip a payment. $4.95 monthly fee or $59 an annual provides 2 eligible loan payment skips in a 12-month period. Enroll into eligible loans to benefit from Breathe Easy. Skip a payment whenever you need to, up to 2 times per year. All right, so what you do is you open up an account with them, right? You open up an account just like any other bank account. Once you open up an account, you start depositing money. Make it if you want to speed the process up every other day, every like at least 3 times a week, you want to make deposits. If you don't have direct deposit, once you do that for at least a month, then and they start offering you perks and things like that, and they see your credit score and you making those payments on those trade lines that you have on your credit profile. They're going to see that. They're going to offer you certain perks from credit cards, loans. You talk to the loan officer. You tell them, hey, I want to apply for the $35,000 personal loan. Talk to them. They see your history, the relationship that you have with the bank. You get approved. Now you got you a $35,000 loan. All right, so take advantage of it. First Community Credit Union, smaller bank. They got home loans. They got loans. They got credit cards. They got the FCC Platinum Rewards card. They got the Genius credit card. High limits, annual fees, 0, intro rate for 12 months, 0, after intro rate, 10.99 to 17.99 APR. They got a lot of good rates. They got cash back, extensive reward catalog with popular brands, top merchandise, event tickets, and more. Convenient online travel reservations and more. View your credit card designs. Card swap will make life easier. They got a lot of different perks of being with First Community Credit Union. All right, so go check them out. Go open up an account and get paid. Let's talk about it. All right. So let's talk about it. First Community Credit Union. Like I told you guys before, credit unions and smaller banks in your local area are the easiest places to go to start getting loans, to start finessing the bank and let them know you get a loan faster, a credit card faster, high limit with these type of banks. All right, point blank period. So what you want to do is, let's go back through the process and the steps. You want to make sure you clean your credit score. You want to make sure you add those trade lines. Once you add those trade lines that get debt to your credit profile, or you can just start making payments on the debt that you have and bring your your payment history back up to exceptional. Then you want to make sure that debt on your credit profile is good to go. Boom. Once you got that debt good to go on your credit profile, you want to go to FCCU, First Community Credit Union, online. Open up a bank account, start making deposits, make enough deposits. The more the money that you put in and the less money you take out, the more perks they give you, the better relationship that you'll be building with this bank, with this credit union, in order for them to approve you for this $35,000 loan. All right, so make sure y'all doing what y'all need to do to clean y'all credit first, get y'all credit profile in order to apply for these loans. Because just because it's a bad credit loan doesn't mean they're gonna give anybody a loan with bad credit. They want to give people these loans who have bad credit, but they're trying. What I mean by trying, that means they have their business in order. They're actually trying to make something happen, and it reflects off their credit profile, off their business, off their credit score and all that like that. All right, so make sure you got these things in order. Make sure you got a lot of things going on. Like I said, if you're self-employed, you can it's a lot of ways to get around nicks and corners with that. If you're self-employed, you know somebody with a business, say you work for them. If you're a barber, a beautician, get your LLCs, your S corps together, and we gonna get you in order. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, make sure y'all paying attention to these videos, make sure y'all taking these gems, writing them down, replaying these videos, watching a video all the way through, because I drop a lot of gems. I give a lot of hidden information in videos that you can take from this video, put it in the next video, and the next video, connect the dots and start making a lot of money, because at the end of the day, this is YouTube. Y'all know how they get down. There's certain things you can say, certain things you can't say, and this is all educational, entertainment purposes only. I'm just trying to help the people. I'm just trying to help y'all win. I'm trying to help y'all get y'all credit together. I'm trying to help y'all get y'all lives together. All right, so think smart, be smart, work smarter, not harder, and I promise you, you will elevate. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters. Shout out to all my new King Hussle subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, anybody out there looking to make money, I'm talking about money, $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month, little less, little more, don't matter. It's passive income. You tired of working a 9 to 5, you want to make money just sitting down in your drawers and socks, tap in with me. I will literally show you how to make up to $3,000, if not more, a day off YouTube, building you a channel, helping you build you a channel, and show you the game, show you how to make money, passive income without showing your face. All right, so $500 for that. If you want me to build, create your YouTube channel and all those hashtags and things like that, it would be $1,000. All right, so make sure you're tapping in on that. You ready to make money without showing your face? You ready to make money, passive income? Tap in. All right, still looking for people for my production company: models, actors, rappers, producers, cameraman, content creators. All right, anybody looking to tap in with their music, $200 music reviews. You're not willing to invest $200 in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career, your music career? Always take that in consideration before sending me your music. This is business. This is not personal. You're never going to get anywhere if you're not serious. All right, so always take that in consideration. Business world and the regular civilian world is two different worlds. All right, a lot of people don't understand that. You cannot play around. You cannot slip in this business world, because one slip, you'll be messed up. All right, so anybody out there, content creators, you got at least 500 subscribers on your YouTube channels and 2,000 watch time hours, tap in with me. I'm gonna show you how to make money. Come sign the H&E. Any models out there, you tired of looking beautiful for free, you tired of shaking your hiney, twerk videos for free, you tired of doing all this model picturing, taking for free, tap in with me. I'm gonna put you in a position to do music videos. I'm gonna put you in a position to do podcasts. I'm gonna put you in a position to make money off your twerk videos. I'm gonna put you in a position to make money off you being beautiful. All right, so make sure you tap in. Let's win. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Always remember that, women. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Producers, cameraman, you got a good camera, 4K, 8K, 6K, red camera, dragon, whatever. Tap in with me. You good with them edits, tap in with me, and let's win. Let's build this production company. Let's build this brand. Let's build this empire. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.